Heyo! What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. Hope you guys are all having an amazing Money Monday. Unfortunately, the market has been red, but let's go ahead and talk about patterns that are actively trending up. What do you guys think about this new song? Do you guys like my neck pillow too? So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would have seen that I actually really like this part. Do you guys like it? Okay. Hey, okay, Google. Volume 3. All right, let's go ahead and have some fun and make money because that's what it's all about, right? So you guys have seen my week last week. Last week of trading in just 4 days, I was able to capture and cover over $3,800 profit, right? If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen my trip to California, and I randomly bought, I'm going to upload a video about it, but I randomly bought a Corvette C7. I have it back now here in Arizona with joining my McLaren, my GTR, my M3 and stuff like that. It's going to be a super fun video, and that's why I have my neck pillow. Well, that's why, I don't know, I guess there's no reason that I still have it on, but it feels good, right? It feels, I was like trading, I'm just like this. I have like really bad posture, so I think it's helping me out. But it's been a red morning. There's no question about that. If you're part of the Learn Plan Profit group, you would have heard, we go live every single morning at market open. So if you want to speak to me every single day, then be sure to click that first link in the description to learn a little bit more about my private group. But most importantly, we were talking about the market and how it's not doing well, and it's been very volatile for the past, not just last week, but the week prior as well. And that's what I want to talk about. I want to talk about what's actively trending up, what kind of to expect, and what's going on, Bobby? Oh my goodness. Can you guys take a second and read Bobby's comment? So the reason that you have that neck pillow is because you're actually breaking necks and cashing checks in case you break someone's neck. So I just have something to hand it over, right? Or I have the pillow to hand it over. But yeah, I'm going to start sharing my screen just so you guys can see exactly what it is that I'm going to be breaking down. I'm using the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform. It's a free platform. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. It's just one that I use, and that's why I'm going to just show my screen. So what's up, Ricky? Gush is down, but I'm going to be holding. So yeah, that's actually one of the ones that I'm going to be talking about today. And it definitely has been red. A lot of different stocks have been red. I think we had an amazing call out this morning, and it was when Tesla. Let me just start sharing my screen. I talk too much. Gee willikers. And I actually don't have much time. I have a meeting in just a couple minutes, so Justin, I know, is going to be super pissed that I'm live. But sorry, Justin. But yeah, right now I'm currently in Gush. You guys can see that I have a limit order to sell Gush at around the $22 price point. The reason why is because that's where that EMA line was at when it was approaching, or where I thought it was going to be a good price to sell. Okay, Google, pause. Let's look at this on the 180-day analysis. So on this 180-day analysis, I've talked about this multiple times, and it's this ascending uptrend pattern. I don't like that it's showing my order right now. All right, I think this is a little bit better. So you can see this ascending uptrend pattern. You can see the overall resistance at $24 and that there was a huge sell-off. This was for Gush itself. It's a oil gas ETF if you've never heard of it before. It has this upward staircase pattern that it has to offer. It offered this huge sell-off, and then it started to slowly recover. Do you see this? On the 1-day, 1-minute chart, it had this huge sell-off, and it really started to consolidate right around that $21 price point. Obviously, it went below $21, but it really started to consolidate at that price point, and I found that very attractive for a potential day trade. So let's do the math. From $21 to the overall resistance at $22, it offers about 4.7% potential for profit. Again, my average position being anywhere from about $10,000 to $20,000, I can cover nearly anywhere from about almost $500 to almost $1,000 profit with one simple trade. That's an opportunity worth taking for me when I see that something is so oversold. If you don't know what oversold is, if you don't understand ascending uptrend patterns, if you don't understand why it is that I see value or have ever watched any of my videos, I would first encourage you to obviously do your own due diligence, never trade based on anyone else's opinion, and watch a couple of the videos that I've uploaded about last week. I actually traded Gush last week on Thursday, and it was one of my most profitable trades for the entire week itself. I think I closed at $1,287, so $1,287 on that 1-day swing trade. And I plan on this just being a day trade. I didn't even take that large of a position because I see that it's still somewhat consolidating. But I just wanted to talk about this ascending uptrend pattern, this staircase pattern that it has to offer, this huge sell-off that it has, right? And now I'm just waiting for this to start trending back up. And if I could see a strong uptrend, then maybe I can add more to my position. And if I see it breaking 22, then maybe I can shoot for like 23 or 24. But the thing that happened today that I really didn't think that was going to happen was Gush or Drip itself, which is the inverse ETF, is showing a strong descending pattern, but it had a really strong push this morning. It bounced at that support. We've called it out multiple times at $12. It pushed up. Well, based off previous patterns, normally it gets rejected. It continues. Do you see this pattern? That it continues to make lower highs. So every time that it goes high, it makes lower highs. Yeah, Justin is upset. Justin, I'm almost done. Give me 4 minutes, okay? All right. But as you can see, but it is consolidating a lot at $12, so we might see a reversal pattern. I just thought it was worth the potential investment for the potential $500 to $1,000, that 4 to 5% that it had the opportunity of making. So I just wanted to talk about that pattern very quickly, why I saw value in Gush when it had this huge sell-off. I want to talk about one more. It's one that I talked about in the Learn Plan Profit group this morning, and it's JDST. It goes based off of the future for /GC. It's a gold-based ETF. And I need you guys to understand that /GC is actively trending up. So right now, the reason that I'm looking at JDST is for when /GC gets rejected, then I'll move my attention over to JDST. Because right now, as /GC is pushing up, that means that that's in favor, as you can see it's green, of JNUG. JNUG is the bull ETF. JDST is the bear ETF. What that means is when our market, as you can see, our market has been red today, right? You can see everything like Twitter, Tesla, Oracle. We can search up Facebook. Everything is down today. Everything, majority of everything, right? A lot of markets. So when the market is down, usually gold is up. And it's not always the case, but as of right now, the market is down, gold is up. So it makes sense on why there's a lot of these gold-based ETFs pushing up. Now, last week, based on the patterns that I saw, there were some days where the market was trying to recover. As we could see here, there's a lot of consolidation that was happening. It was really red, and then it would recover for about 1 or 2 days. That's what I'm waiting for. Because when JDST starts to reverse, just like it did last week, it just needs 1 or 2 days from that $50 price point to even $58. Offers about almost 15% potential for profit. Just imagine, $20,000 position with a 15% profit margin. That's $3,000 within one trade. Just think about the percentage growth, not even the dollar value, the percentage growth. You should be having a daily goal, a weekly goal for yourself on how much it is that you want to grow your account on a percentage growth basis. Mine is anywhere from 20 to 25%. A lot of people aim for about 3 to 5% when they're first starting out. So how amazing would it be to only have to take one position for the next week or 2 weeks and to be able to cover 3 weeks, 4 weeks worth of profit, of goal profit, right? Or potential profit. So that's why I think that when this thing gets down to $50, I want to revisit. That's why I have my alert set here. So when it breaks below 51, I want to visit JDST, see if it actually bounces. All right, so I have to get ready for my meeting. So whenever it bounces at $50, then I can wait for the confirmation, the break above the EMA, be able to, if I still see value in it, take a position, and then end up selling at the resistance. Very simple breakdown, very simple pattern. Gush, why are you doing me wrong? And you are trending down. Looks like it got rejected by that $21 resistance. Let's go ahead and follow up with it a little bit later. But we had an amazing call out today with Tesla. It was pushing up. It was pushing up. Not only myself, but a lot of people within the Learn Plan Profit Group and TechBud Solutions did an amazing job reminding people that those that got in at around sub $250, that it was a good idea because of the descending pattern that Tesla has to offer. It continuously is getting rejected by that 180-day EMA. Because of that descending pattern, it was not a bad idea to cover profits at around 260. We called it out perfectly. So from the 250 price point, if it works, to where it's at, that was about 4% margin. And look, right now, it's bouncing off this middle VWAP and it's starting to actively trend up. So I actually have to get ready for my call right now. It's 10:15. I have to head on out. Just wanted to make a quick video talking about trades. I'll take off my neck pillow now. That was kind of more of a joke. But let's see. I want to see if you guys have any questions. Stream is laggy. Edgar saying that that this neck pillow is a true sign of no sleep. Yeah, so I got home at I went to sleep at 2 or 2:30 after my drive from California to Arizona, and then I woke up today at 6. But guys, I love what it is that I do every single day. And you guys can watch any of my videos. I say that time after time. I think it's an amazing blessing and opportunity that we're giving the chance, when you know and understand how to invest in the stock market successfully, that you can make money out of investing money. That's the beautiful thing about it. Last week, I had 3 $1,000 day plus, right? One day was a little bit over $500, and that's amazing, right? And that's just the potential. I'm not saying that if you just get started in investing in the stock market that you're going to get there. I've been doing this for a pretty long time. I just want to remind you that we're given this tool, we're given this resource, this opportunity. It's for those that see value in it and that dedicate time to learn how to successfully do it on a consistent basis, that don't invest based on other people's opinion, that don't invest in what they don't understand, and that always have a plan when investing, that actually experience success. Understand one thing, 95% of the market fail when investing in the stock market. So what is it that you're going to do that is going to make you that 5%? Something that I do is that I trade based on what I see value in, and I only do that. I don't trade based on other people's opinion. I make sure that I understand patterns, and that's my style of trading, technical trading. Man, I need to breathe because my head's starting to hurt. Thanks for the help. Appreciate that. Oh, well, that's really cool. So we got a nice little comment out here from Igor saying, "Thanks, Ricky. Never been green before I started LPP. So I'm really glad that we've been able to be a catalyst for your success. But again, it's all your hard work that's paying off. Appreciate that. Thank you, Just." So I'm gonna end the live stream here. I just wanted to wish you guys all a beautiful Monday. I want to remind you guys that one of the best trades that you guys can take, this is my biggest recommendation, one of the best positions that you guys could ever take is not take one at all, especially when you see the market being so red. Take a step back, relax, set your alerts, and wait for the opportunities. Wait for those golden nuggets to present themselves, like I'm waiting right now. For those 2 stocks that I saw value in, those are my opinions, my stock, like what I see value in. In no way are they any stock suggestions. They're the ones that I'm waiting for. So I'm going to take a step back. I'm going to wait for them to play out the way that I expect them to. And until then, that's it. Wait for quality, not quantity. Don't trade based on other people's opinion. And I hope you guys all have a beautiful Money Monday. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, the link is down below. If you guys want to join my free networking group of over 90,000 members, it's the 3rd link in the description. We'd love to have you if you like surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals. And if you want to work with me on a daily basis and speak to me, then that is the 1st link in the description. Invest 30 seconds, check it out, and I would love to be a part of your success. Like you guys can see, Joel, boom, boom, boom. Hope you guys... I'm going to be really happy if you talk a little bit slow. I'm sorry. I get too excited, and I have to go. So... hope you guys all have an amazing Monday. I'm actually going to upload. Hopefully I can get everything done. I have the meeting. I have to go get lunch, and then I have to go to the gym, believe it or not. I know. I'm like, but yeah, and then I'm going to film a really cool video for you guys about the new Corvette that I bought. It's going to be like a 2-3 minute video. It's going to be super funny. I hope you guys enjoy. But thank you guys again. If you guys haven't subscribed, we'd really appreciate it. If you guys can give the video a thumbs up, you guys don't have to. It would really make me happy. So hope you guys all have an amazing Monday. Like always, continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. Let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy.